Hello friends, welcome to Shriram. The topic for today's podcast is mobile phone manufacturing in India. What's the recent development in India's mobile phone production? A recent report indicates that India has become the world's second largest mobile phone producer with over 2 billion domestically manufactured mobile phones shipped between 2014 and 2022. What is driving this growth? The Make in India initiative by the government has been a driving force leading to a compound annual growth rate of 23% in mobile phone shipments. This is because of an increased demand within the country, growing digital literacy, and strategic government support. How has the local value addition improved? The transformation is evident in the increased local value addition, which has risen to an average of over 15%. This is a significant improvement from single-digit figures seen 8 years ago. What is the role of local manufacturing? Local manufacturing has expanded to meet the rising domestic demand for mobile phones. In 2022, 98% of mobile phone shipments from India were locally made, a significant leap from 19% during the inception of the current government in 2014. What's the impact on the industry? The establishment of manufacturing units for mobile phones and components has led to increased investments, job opportunities, and overall industry development. How is the government contributing to boosting local manufacturing? The government has launched various initiatives including the Phased Manufacturing Program, Make in India, Production Linked Incentive Scheme, and Atmanirbhar Bharat Scheme. What's the government's broader aim? The Narendra Modi-led NDA government aims to position India as the semiconductor manufacturing and export hub by leveraging its diverse range of schemes. How does the PLI scheme play a role? PLI scheme, or the Production Linked Incentive Scheme, part of Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign spanning 14 sectors including mobile phone manufacturing, has further stimulated growth of the mobile phone manufacturing sector. In conclusion, India's ascent to the world's second largest mobile phone producer is driven by the Make in India initiative, local value addition, strategic government support. The industry's growth is reflected in increased local manufacturing, job opportunities, and contribution to nation's technical development. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's podcast.